Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to platinum Ratchet and Clank. Wait. Okay. How do you get that menu up? Anyway, I'm going to try and get all the trophies. I've got 12 already, so let's get in. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to complete the game first, normally, but I'm not going to complete it all in this one episode. I'm going to complete the game normally, get all the trophies, but now I've got to do something else on the races on one of the things. But I'll let you watch the stuff.
You think you can break me, Copper? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that would make your bolts rattle. The eternity pits of Sword Doom. The iron holding no balance. Ah.
Greetings, new fish. I'm
Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you.
Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed my many adventures?
Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax.
Oh, you must mean the holo film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
They're making a game based on a holo film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will ever hear my side.
I'd like to hear your side, Captain.
You would? Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Oh, let's go. I'm just happy it works, to be honest, because before it wasn't working, it was really glitchy. But this, got to give it to them, so good.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Does that ship look mag-lifted to you? Get up. Come on, give it a spin. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep.
Yes.
Left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights. Look down.
Okay.
You see something?
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show them what you got.
Okay, bye.
Began his adventure, hoping to become a Galactic Ranger.
Weapons. Gadgets. Okay. Map. Good. We got this.
Rise and shine, Kizzle Plateau. It's 8 a.m. and it's gonna be a hot one today.
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
10
In order to
HP.
best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
I love this
Ratchet
game.
knew he faced mortal
Played it as a
peril.
kid.
Should he find himself
A
on
little
the
kid.
verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
The Lombags displayed a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
Maybe he was just saving up bolts so he could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Lots of XP, lots of, give me all that XP.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Galactic Ranger Recruitment Event. Step into the training course and let's test your mettle. Are you ready, my squire? Another contestant? Unlock future rangers.
Hello, recruit. Cora Veralux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings. Hop across these moving platforms.
Easy dubs, easy
It's
dubs.
me, Captain Quark. Well, it's not really me, just a clip with a pre-recorded message of me. But I'm sure it's thrilling nonetheless. I just wanted to wish all prospective Galactic Rangers good luck. Needed.
Good job. You could...
Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Good choice. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor. Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
Bruh.
The Solana Galaxy is a perilous place, as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around in crates.
Come on.
In order to spice things up, we've armed these dummies with Gadgetron flamethrowers. Our lawyers are totally cool.
Good job, recruits. You may just be the next Galactic Ranger. Head to the final challenge.
Come on, Ratchet.
Okay.
You can do this.
So we've actually got to play the game twice, but
Survive a brutal onslaught of enemies.
hopefully you guys want to watch that.
Galactic Ranger. Or
Oh,
any of you who've been asking for tips, sage advice, if you will, from your humble galactic protector. Whenever my life is in jeopardy, I think of one.
oh, there you are. Give me all those. Oh, you got to be joking me.
Looks like some angry toads.
Another one down. Impressive. Could we be looking at Solana's next Galactic Ranger?
Okay, new card.
You can earn single, or you can explore secret areas to find packs of 3. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holocards.
Excellent job, cadet. Come see me after the show.
That wasn't so bad.
That was easy. Sorry guys, stupid PlayStation won't let me record cutscenes.
With the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there alive.
I know you will find the defect, Victor. You never disappoint.
feeble defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path. The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him and knew that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat the deadliest of forces, gravity.
Oh shoot. Hello, Victor.
There you are.
Oh my.
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap.
Come on, then. Oh, that's it. No!
Get back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot. Oh no, water.
Bye.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power bot. This device could power up a variety of machines, but where should he throw it?
Bruh.
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself on my penchant for storytelling.
What seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, Chairman. I've got him right where I want him.
What am I even doing? Bro, this is too easy. But I know I'll get not a lot harder. Nah, why would he tell you? There you are, defect.
You think you can run from me?
Yes, actually, you're. Come on, bro. Come on, big chongus.
Get back here, you miserable defect.
Bye.
Try outrunning this. I'm gonna
God.
rip you apart, sprocket by sprocket.
I won't die, guys. Trust me, that was just a.
Water. Ah!
Is this in repeat? Sorry, guys. So basically. Sorry guys. So basically what happened, Clank, I know he's back, ran away from Vector, yeah I think, yeah you guys know that. He got into the ship, flew over there, and all that stuff, and we're gonna get him back to the garage to fix it up. Bro, this is so bad. Why won't you let me film cutscenes?
Yes, we're child's play to Ratchet.
Dum dum.
All he would need to get across is a trusty
Dum
swing
dum.
shot and a little bravado. Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Oh,
Nice! A combustor!
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
it's okay.
My sensors indicate there is a switch. Impressive shooting.
Yeah, sauce.
Nice work.
So in one of the achievements, I have to.
Going down, Lombax!
I have to.
Uh-oh, Blarg. What are they doing here?
I have been
So basically-
banks that poses a threat to Chairman Dredd. He must have tracked my position to your planet so he could get it back.
Bruh. Thanks for the ammo barrel.
Perhaps the hook shot would solve his current conundrum.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Copy that, Ratchet.
You get hurt. Now.
No aiming.
I think that's all of them.
Okay.
Is that a Blarg dropship?
Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as the Dropship of Death.
Great.
Oh, this is new for me. I don't remember this. Come on, you wanna go? Wanna go?
Ratchet.
I am the boss. The big bad boss. Anyways, let's get on. I'm so sorry that you can't see the cutscenes.
All the jobs Dredd could have given us. We got
Not that
some
important.
defect. It's not that bad. Got clean air.
The Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
I'm fine, kid, but I ain't opening up till the coast is clear.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
I've got to upgrade my weapons to.
I've got you on holo-vid. There are more enemies moving in.
God damn.
Incoming dropship detected.
God damn it!
More bots.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were gonna clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
A beginner's guide to quantum burst engines.
Just throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
That's really more for educational purposes.
It is always good to meet a fellow academic.
Really, I just look at the pictures and then, you know, wing it.
I've got no ammo.
All right, Grim. Coast is clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet,
Okay, cutscene. Sorry, guys.
exploded.
Sorry about that, Grim. Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Interesting. What kind of factory is this?
This?
Oh, I'm
No, this
sorry.
is just a
You
garage.
can't watch this
Lived here since
cutscene.
I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Cutscene. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, guys. What happened? Blog blew up. The guys. Blog blew up everything. They blew up the ship and we're crash
It's
landing.
damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us. Wait a
Okay.
second. Is that raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons.
Raritarium.
I love
Put
Raritarium.
this to good use.
I love Raritarium. Okay.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the process with one of my... You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff. But we'll use some of mine for now. No, really. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain.
No.
Alright, just confirm your transaction. Hey, surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost.
You're welcome.
That's all there is to it. Give it a... That ought to do it.
Okay. Oh. Gotta get grinding.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
God damn.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small incident. We are working hard to contact the guard so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our calls, it's probably best to remain in your home.
Hey, that's a Cora Barrelux statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Give me all those. Give me all those. And Paul, give me all those. I'm not. Actually, I am. Oh, let's go. I can buy that. So what I want to do, I want to buy every weapon. Buy every weapon, and then I'm going to grind on them. Like 5 years.
We have sent you several messages regarding your invasion of this sector.
Okay.
I don't want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but just in case you didn't check with there are quite a few waiting for you.
You want to go? See how you like it? Come on then. Oh, let's go. I got Raritarium. Raritanium. Come on, bro. Wanna go, bro?
More of them.
Yes, it lets me record now.
That must be the
God.
mayor's ship.
Thank God. Okay. You might be able to see cutscenes now.
This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the Toad Crater of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last
Thank
long
God,
without
guys.
our help.
Headshot. Hey! Let me get up! Any day, any day. Just come. I need to get max bolts as well. You made it. Okay, helicopter. That was stupid. Anyway, let's go. Oh, yes. I want to get this game completed. Just for you guys. Just for you. Hey! I'm a longbacks. I'm a longbacks. Swear, bro. Bro, these spawned. I'm gonna try and get the rhino as well. That is a mustard. Come on. Be a good boy and hit me. Come on, you wanna go? Actually, I'm gonna be trying to use all my stuff because I've got to max out. Come on, bro.
Got him on the ropes now.
Oh, you really don't. Oh, let's go, leveled up. I gotta get him to max health, which is 200. Bye.
Hello? Is it safe to come out?
Yes. Yes, you can watch cutscenes.
I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Dret trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Blockwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone, call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble.
Gotta go here. Okay. So go around here. Brain failure, and then. Okay.
We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Right. Okay, let's see if we can find some help.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound.
Wait.
I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend.
A furry hero.
Regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10.
I'm trying to get all of these. I need to get the Graviton. Okay. Oh, let's go. One more thing and we could. Okay. Oh, nearly upgrade, leveled up this. Bro. Let's go. Up. Just like breaking stuff. Anyways, let's get to this. Played this as a kid. So I might not remember all the controls. But let's do this. Thanks for the ammo. Broken ship. Gotta find someone to fix the ship. I'm gonna go back here to buy the whatever it's called.
Hey, you looking for some weapons? Step into my office. Actually, I ain't got no office, but I might get one if I make Salesman of the Month. Good choice.
Okay, upgrades.
Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. Boom! That's how it's done.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now go out and
Do it.
set the world on fire.
Wait, how much does it cost?
I got weapons.
Oh, there it is. I knew it had something to do with this.
Look out!
Don't worry, I'm good, mate. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm gonna use the combustor just so I can level that up.
Ratchet jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Nothing up here, but let me just get all my boys. I just made all that money back. Hollow card. Come on. Yes!
That. Nice.
Okay. Yes. Gotta complete the hero set. One duplicate. We got this one. Oh no, bro.
There he is. Attack!
Are you even trying?
You mess with the blood?
Oh. Come on. Give me something good. Where? Okay. Okay. Okay.
You get hurt.
Do your worst. Fire rates. God. I'm gonna be using my fusion grenade now just to get it up to like level 2. God damn, sir. You also get a trophy for not auto hacking all the stuff. I think we might be getting into one of them soon. And some of them are really hard. So we might spend hours, minutes or whatever on them. I'm gonna use my grenade. No! god.
Holding his breath, our intrepid Lombax delves the depths of deepness.
Deepness. What the hell? No, wait! I'll wait for you. Bruh, game is so fun. No, why did I just waste my ammo? Played it as a kid, got like really far on my PS4, but it just sounded like so many airlines.
Darn it! These darn blarg have jammed the transmission. Who's gonna save us now?
Me, bro.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? 'Cause I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Well, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Did
that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot.
You are supposed to. That is so glitchy, bro.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
So,
yes, it's not stopping the cutscenes. Sorry, guys, for the first few minutes. Hope you don't mind.
They'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first,
let's do this.
They'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ratchet and
Guys.
Clank were delighted to discover that their newly repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna do all this stuff, even though it's optional. No. There's another cave I remember. There it is.
It's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
No, it's the weapons on them. I remember back here when I was a child. Exactly. Oh shoot. Oh god, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh. Come on, Lombax. Find treasure. I want to get all the stuff. And on the
They
world.
appear to be amoeboids. According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries in order to assist the warbots.
Okay, okay. Let's do this. Okay, guys. Let's see if my character does not drown. He did not.
More bad guys. Get ready.
It's my drive, it's my power, we say. Bye. 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 Bye.
Oh boy, out of ammo. Down.
All enemies clear. Well done.
Thanks, bro. Oh. I'm gonna get all the weapons. If some
Why don't you upgrade your pyrocitor?
yeah, wait, bro.
Oh, I just might make my quota this week. Boom! That's how it's done.
Okay, okay.
Enjoy your new proton drum.
Okay.
It's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
Wait. What? I didn't get the hidden treasure. Okay, it's behind her. I don't get this, what? The bell's on here for a reason. Must be in this place then. Remember, you needed a bomb to destroy it. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna change the difficulty.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
More bad guys. Get ready.
good
Yes.
at breaking things.
You know,
Yes.
Glenn once said the same thing.
Okay. Come on. Where did those go? God damn. Need to finish this set. Knew it, I knew it. Oh, thank you. Come on, hero set, hero set. Navalis. Okay, so they're doing two.
All enemies clear. Well done.
You're welcome, bro. That was a little harder than before. I changed the difficulty.
This must be the way out.
Okay, let's go.
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look. Wicked. Now you're almost too powerful.
Yeah, right.
I'll punch in our new flight coordinates.
Let's do that then. I like the easy planets that only have one K1 or K1.
Too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City.
Yes, I love this part.
Fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must
Yes.
assist the Galactic Rangers. Activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Okay, controls how goofy are.
Ratchet.
Anyway.
Now might be a good time to test those weapons systems.
Oh shoot, oh god, oh god!
Warning.
Oh, that's not good.
Warning.
It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those Blarg saucers leave behind.
We gotta take out that transport.
Altitude level critical.
God damn it.
We must assist the Galactic Rangers. Activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Captain, we have an unidentified ship providing assistance.
God no.
Transport down.
Yeah.
Yes. Options. Inverted.
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch.
Oh yes. That's more like it. Goofy are.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is our turf.
No offense, Captain, but we kind of need the help right now.
Another transport down.
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Okay. Oh god. I'm 8. 8. I reset controls to default. Who even put these controls on?
Yes, we're on a roll.
Oh no! Goofy R controls.
We're going down.
No! Why? Why?
One ship left.
Oops, sorry.
Why are you saying sorry? It's art off. Come on, warship. No, you want it. Come on, don't be a baby. Goofy R.
Ratchet, we must stay focused on those transports.
I know, I'm just can't get these goddamn controls.
That's the last of them.
Guys, looks like you got all the transports, but we still gotta take out that
What?
The warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a warbot at power failure imminent. There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship.
Activate mag booster. Gotcha.
All resources consumed. We cannot carry any more warbots.
Steady, steady. Release warbots. Warbots away. Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
One in a million. Let's do it again.
This is my favorite spot.
We got some.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Warning, warning, warning.
Ratchet, the ship is badly damaged. We must locate some nanotech.
Don't worry, I'm good much.
Now. Yeah, that one hurt.
There's just a few left. Keep at it.
Impressive, but my perseverance will defeat these warbots. Eventually.
Engage.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
We do not care, bro. Where is the warship? There it is.
Return to sender. Warship down. We did it.
Way to go, whoever you are.
Sorry, guys. God damn it!
Systems upper.
Guys. God damn it. Let me record. Let me make a career.
But we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep of the perimeter. Brax, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Copy that.
In the meantime, there's a friend not far from your position who can help you out. His name's Al. I was gonna wait until after training to introduce you, but now's as good a time as any. Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for free.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, we know about him.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Bye.